Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Microsoft X Lecture 2. Microsoft X Lecture 2 will learn about basic data entry and formatting, entering data into cells. Selecting and formatting cells, applying number formats, currency, dates, etc. Using font and alignment options, applying cell borders and fill colors. Basic data entry. Data entry is the process of inputting information into a computer or other device for storage, processing, and retrieval in the context of spreadsheets. Data entry involves typing or pasting information into cells. While it may seem like a simple task, accurate data entry is crucial for effective data management. Errors in data entry can lead to incorrect calculations, inaccurate reports, and ultimately, poor decision-making. Therefore, it is important to take the time to ensure that data is entered correctly and consistently. Selecting and formatting cells. To select cells, simply click and drag your mouse over the desired cells. You can also select multiple non-adjacent cells by holding down the Ctrl key while clicking on each cell. Once you have selected the cells you want to format, you can use the formatting option in the Home tab to make your data more readable and organized. When formatting cells, it's important to consider the type of data you are working with. For example, if you're working with numbers, you may want to use the number format to display them as currency or percentages. If you're working with text, you may want to adjust the font size or style to make it more legible by taking the time to properly format your cells. You can make your data easier to understand and work with. Applying number formats. When working with data, it's important to format it in a way that makes sense and is easy to read. One way to do this is by applying number formats such as currency and dates to cells. This can help you quickly identify important information and make better decisions based on the data. To apply number formats, simply select the cell or range of cells you want to format and click on the Number Format button in the Home tab. From there, you can choose from a variety of preset formats or create your own custom format. Keep in mind that different formats may be more appropriate for different types of data. Using font and alignment options. Using font and alignment options can take your data from plain to visually stunning. By default, Excel uses the Calibri font, but there are many other fonts available that can add personality and style to your data. Experiment with different fonts to find the one that best suits your needs. Alignment options allow you to adjust the position of text within a cell. You can align text to the left, center, or right, as well as vertically align it to the top, middle, or bottom of the cell. This can help make your data more organized and easier to read. Applying cell borders. When it comes to organizing data in a spreadsheet, applying cell borders can be an effective way to differentiate between different types of data and make it easier to read. By using borders, you can create clear boundaries around specific cells or ranges of cells, making it easier to distinguish between different categories of information. To apply cell borders in Excel, simply select the cells you want to format and choose the border style and thickness that best suits your needs. You can also customize the color and line style of your borders to create a more visually appealing effect. Applying fill colors. Applying fill colors to your data can be a powerful way to make it stand out and draw attention to important information by highlighting specific cells or sections. You can quickly convey key insights and trends to your audience. To apply a fill color, simply select the cell or range of cells you want to modify and choose a color from the Fill Color menu. You can also use conditional formatting to automatically apply colors based on certain criteria, such as values that fall within a certain range. When used effectively, fill colors can add an extra layer of meaning to your data and help you communicate your message more clearly. Conclusion. In conclusion, Microsoft Excel is a powerful and versatile spreadsheet software that offers a wide range of features and functionalities. It provides users with the ability to organize, analyze, and manipulate data effectively, making it an essential tool for individuals, businesses, and organizations across various industries. Excel's key strengths lie in its ability to handle large amounts of data, perform complex calculations and formulas, create visually appealing charts and graphs, and automate repetitive tasks. Through macros and VBA programming, it allows users to create and manage budgets, track expenses, perform statistical analysis, and generate insightful reports. Furthermore, Excel offers extensive customization options, allowing users to tailor their spreadsheets to their specific needs. It also integrates well with other Microsoft Office applications, facilitating seamless data exchange and collaboration. While Excel has proven to be an invaluable tool, it does have its limitations. It may not be the most suitable option for managing highly complex databases or handling real-time data. Additionally, mastering Excel's advanced features may require some learning and practice, but numerous resources are available, including tutorials, courses, and online communities. Overall, Microsoft Excel remains an indispensable tool for data management, analysis, and visualization, providing users with the ability to make informed decisions and enhance productivity. Whether you are a student, professional, or business owner, Excel's versatility and functionality make it an essential part of everyday work and data processing.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.